Hey guys, so obviously as you see here right now, I had some little problems with my car, and I will give you a short explanation what happened. So the wipers wouldn't work, and I'm in the north of Spain now. Only if I push like this, this part, and to release the, how do you say that, like the faraway light, I don't know the English word for it, but only if you push here. And if this is on, I'll show you. So basically, wait, oh, maybe now it doesn't work because of the contact. I'm sorry, I can't show you. So okay, let's see. So I'll explain it. Even if you push this is the only way it works, instead of pushing all these stuff, right? Which is normally how it's supposed to be. And I didn't want to go to a mechanic, and I read on Facebook, and I asked some people, and they said like that it's quite a simple solution for this. Okay, so I was looking for this part. Have a look. So this is the part that goes in here, and they said that this needs to be changed. So I was waiting here around for 2 days. I asked someone on Instagram if I could use his address to send it over. So I paid for this like €6 with the shipping cost. With the shipping cost it was like 14 because I wanted it extra fast, and I paid €14 for this. And now I'm going to change it to repair the wipers and everything. Okay, now I got the steering wheel. I'm sorry if it's super close because it's super close here anyway. I don't have much space to do all that, and then I'm staying in the middle of the street, so it's gonna be a little bit hard. I'm gonna try to disconnect that. To change this part, we have to get rid of the steering wheel first. I unscrewed some parts here. I got these all disconnected, and now I'm trying to push it up. I got rid of this. It's still connected to the cables here, and now I have to loosen up this part so I can take this out. Oops. Ouch. See? It's been fucking working. Ah, yes. Yes. Okay, so I finally unscrewed this. It was a little bit difficult, and I don't know, maybe you see it. The only suggestion I have is that this one is not here anymore, so maybe that was the problem. I'm not 100% sure, but it was really difficult to get it out from here. Everything is back on now. I changed it, and now I'm trying to put everything back on. Let's see if it will work after that. Okay, I'm putting this back on. All the cables. Let's see if it works. Ah, I'm a fucking genius! Look, look.